Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product name with quantity in admin order section in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in order section in WordPress dashboard and we are going to display product name with quantity. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see custom column title, product quantity, so you can add column title according to your requirement. And then in code you see product name with the link and then you see quantity. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to order page. Now refresh the page. Now you see custom column title, product quantity, and then you see product name with quantity. Scroll down, now you see two product name in this order with quantity. Now you see 5 quantity. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.